Well, the controversy over ICE in America continues, including here on the home front. But there are organizations in the community fighting for our neighbors detained by local immigration and customs agents.
ICE out now! ICE out now!
Just this past weekend, dozens of people took part in a rally calling for the removal of the local ICE headquarters at Delaware and Chippewa in downtown Buffalo. Well, they also want justice for those who they say are illegally detained by ICE. Tonight, senior reporter Maki Becker is taking a closer look at one local agency and how it's giving special legal training to its attorneys to represent those people in federal court.
A local agency that advocates for refugees and immigrants is training its lawyers to help get their clients who are being held in detention out from behind bars. Journey's End Refugee Services has always offered legal assistance to help their clients with their immigration process. But now many more immigrants are being detained. As of July 11th, there were more than 65,000 people being held in immigration detention facilities nationwide. 2 years ago, there were just over 37,000.
Before, people were usually okay and they were able to live freely, they were able to work, and as long as they did what they were supposed to do, what the government required them to do, normally they would be fine up until their hearing in immigration court. But now people who are doing everything they're supposed to do and are not people with criminal charges are being detained just because they have pending asylum in the U.S.
So this week, Gary Restaino, a former U.S. attorney in Arizona, is teaching Journey's End attorneys about how to petition the federal court to ask clients to be released on bond. Restaino says right now, many detainees face a difficult choice: stay behind bars or self-deport.
If the choice is only I stay in detention or I self-deport, they might well take that thing that's not really a choice and decide to give up their dreams in America. Habeas offers an opportunity to at least give them a bite at the apple, to at least give them an opportunity to get in front of a judge.
Irene Rekvishvili is a supervising attorney who's going to be sworn in next month to practice in federal court.
We feel that if somebody hasn't done, who is just living in the United States, following the rules that allow them to apply for asylum, allow them to be in this country, to do their cases with dignity and humanity.
Maki Becker, 7 News, Buffalo.